Ma'am, please आप
This is to raise awareness among the staff as well as other people regarding the voluntary blood donation. The World Voluntary Blood Donation Day is being celebrated globally, so we also want to show our participation.
Today, on the occasion of World Blood Donor Day, I, Dr. Afia Khatun, have received this opportunity to put forth the information on the importance and need of blood donation. But firstly, I would like to introduce and welcome our chief guest, Mr. Bhupendra Kumar, BC Baramulla, IAS 2011 batch. Sir has provided his services as Mission Director, NHM, JK, and currently as a District Administrator Baramulla, has been working hard battling the crisis of COVID-19 in the district. It is worth mentioning that amidst the various achievements under his leadership, Baramulla has achieved the status of the second leading district in JK in vaccination. Now I would like to introduce and welcome our worthy principal, GMC Baramulla, Dr. Ruby Rishi ma'am. Ma'am has worked in the Department of Pathology and Blood Bank for 35 years, and during her years of service, she has served as HOD of Pathology and Blood Bank, SMHS. It is worth mentioning that ma'am, being head of Hemophilia Care, Kashmir Division, has played an indispensable and versatile role for the patients of hemophilia and has taken the Department of Pathology and Blood Bank, Srinagar, to new height. Now, as the principal of GMC Baramulla, ma'am wants to make GMC Baramulla the center of excellence. Her goal is to establish a clinically stimulating, challenging and nurturing learning environment for medical education and best clinical training. I would like to introduce and welcome Medical Superintendent and Principal Nursing College Baramulla, Dr. Saeed Masood. Sir has been MS since last 6 years. Under his efficient and people-friendly relationship, District Hospital has backed many awards, one of them being Kaya Club Award. Sir has also been facilitated numerous times by District Administration, which among other things prove his dedication towards the healthcare system. I would like to introduce and welcome HOD, Department Pathology and Blood Bank, Dr. Parveen Shah. Ma'am has provided her services in SKIMS Sora in the Department of Pathology and Blood Bank. Ma'am being very dedicated and hardworking in whatever she does. The people of Baramulla are blessed that now ma'am is providing her services in GMC Baramulla. Under her guidance, the department is bound to thrive. Before I begin, I want to ask you this question. Did you know that every 2 seconds someone is in need of blood? So technically, every 2 seconds you have a chance to save life. This drive, we urge all the eligible blood donors to come and donate blood for a better and healthy future. I, on behalf of District Administration and GMC Baramulla, wants to thank all the people who have come forward voluntarily to donate their blood. They have set an example for the youngsters of Baramulla and deserve a huge round of applause. And especially I would like to add our principal ma'am, Dr. Ruby Rishi, being the first donor. I would want all of you to give a huge round of applause. Donating blood after following proper medical procedure is undoubtedly helpful for the future recipient of the blood. But at the same time, there are plenty of benefits that occur to the donor himself. Donating blood has benefits for your emotional and physical well-being. While men can donate every 3 months, women can donate every 4 months. Now, I would kindly request HOD Department of Pathology, Dr. Parveen ma'am, please come on the stage and share a few words. The theme of the day, Give Blood and Keep the World Beating, itself highlights the importance of donating blood. In other words, like if we give blood, it will keep the heart beating. Heartbeat is a sign of life. So it explains the theme that life will go on once we give blood. Now, this 14th June, it is celebrated all over the world as World Donor Day, and it is celebrated all over to raise the global awareness for safe blood and blood products for transfusion, and of the critical contribution which is voluntary and unpaid by the blood donors they make towards saving lives.
It's a moment of pleasure that again we are assembled here for a great cause to mark the World Donors Day. The World Blood Donors Day, observing this day is not merely just a celebration or observing some event. It gives us a new energy and new zeal towards the cause, which is very important for the humanity, where we make an effort to save the precious lives. We are the witness to these events when the patients come here who are in need of blood, and nobody is there to help them from their families. For so many reasons, either the blood doesn't match to them, or the donor is himself anemic. It is this blood bank which is the savior of that patient, comes to the rescue of that patient, and the precious life is saved. I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to all of you, and I thank our worthy Deputy Commissioner Baramulla, who has always supported us as a mission director and now as a Deputy Commissioner. So many difficulties coming our way, and he in a jiffy he solves them. We thank you, sir, very much, and we hope that this sport will continue uninterrupted. Thank you very much.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to see that GMC Baramulla, with the Department of Blood Transfusion and Hematology, has organized this event of the voluntary blood donation and awareness program. 14th of June every year is celebrated globally as the World Blood Donor Day, and this is marked to pay tribute as well as salute those unsung heroes who come forward, donate blood, and save millions of lives. So our responsibility towards our society and our other fellow beings is to donate blood, which is the best form of the charity one can do to serve other humans. Now, as far as the blood bank of our institution is concerned, it is doing a tremendous job, as has already been said by my medical superintendent Masood Sahab. However, this department still has to go ahead, and we have to upgrade the facilities so that many more issues are settled. I would request my Deputy Commissioner sir, because he has been the MD for National Health Mission, and he knows all how this blood bank like blood banks get established and what is the future of the model blood banks. Sir, I would like to thank you for your support during this pandemic, as well as during other we can say times, to give best of your support
and help to this institution in overcoming such crisis. However, if we have to upgrade the blood bank, the support from NHM is of utmost importance. The world, if we see that this is the era of component separation and components. Blood we know is as a drug, but the concept of whole blood is no more. Blood is separated into components where plasma and plasma products, cryoprecipitates, as well as the platelets and other components of the blood are given as per the desires and the needs of the medical emergency. So blood as a whole, if we see the pathophysiology of the blood, it is the life of a human being because the oxygen is circulated to each and every tissue via the red blood cells, and it is the hemoglobin that will circulate the oxygen to each and every tissue or cell of the body for its functioning. So this means blood is life. By donating blood, we save billions of lives, and 1 point of blood can save up to 4 lives because we can give the components of the blood to 4 different individuals who require blood. So I impress upon all my staff here and also the officers and all the heads here to take this message forward and let us contribute in generating the awareness and motivation regarding voluntary blood donation. Because voluntary blood donation is the most, you can say, safest form of the blood that can be collected. We have the time to collect the blood, take a proper history from the donor, select a healthy donor, and then screen those blood points. Otherwise, taking blood on replacement basis is not a good practice. Our blood banks should be well stocked with good amount of blood. So for this we have to have excellent blood banks with all the infrastructure from donor selection to final, we can say, dissemination of this blood. So in this, the machineries, the equipments as well as trained manpower is very important. So I would like to say here that I will take this mission forward to see that next time, inshallah, when we meet here, that our blood bank should be having a license for component separation. A person who has received vaccine can donate blood after 15 days of either the first or any dose of vaccination. So there should be no apprehensions or no myths added or just got into the mind that one cannot donate blood. One can donate safely, and I tell you that this blood replenishes, as Madam has already said, within 15 days it comes back to what was the, we can say, the hemoglobin level of that individual at that time. So, and by donating blood, there is a negative feedback that the healthy blood is the form. The cells get excited, the bone marrow gets excited, and new blood is formed. So it gives a lot of freshness, a lot of mental, we can say, assurance. It spreads a lot of, we can say, peace, as well as this is the best form of spreading love, spreading your, we can say, attribute to other human beings. So I would request all of you that one should come forward for voluntary blood donation. With these words, I wish the Department of Hematology and Transfusion Medicine a very good day of this donation and take this awareness as far as you can. Thank you, sir, very much for your time, and we appreciate your lot of support once again. The officers from the Department of Police and my dear faculty and heads of the departments, I am very thankful to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and I wish and pray whatever you have planned for this institution comes true, and we see that very, very soon. So now, I would like to call upon our chief guest, Mr. Bhupendra Kumar, DC Baramulla, to kindly come on the stage and say a few words.
सबसे पहले मैं प्रिंसिपल मैम, HOD, ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन, MS GMC बारामूला और तमाम फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को मुबारकबाद दूंगा कि आज वर्ल्ड ब्लड डोनर्स डे पे उन्होंने ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया। और सबसे पहले उन्होंने अपने हॉस्पिटल के स्टाफ को ही मोटिवेट करके ब्लड डोनेट करने के लिए इन्होंने सबको इंस्पायर किया। मेरे से पहले स्पीकर्स ने काफ़ी डिटेल में ब्लड डोनेशन की अहमियत को बताया है और ये एक्सपर्ट्स हैं अपने फील्ड में। तो मुझे लगता है मेरे लिए बड़ा लिमिटेड स्कोप है उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए, बट फिर भी मेरी जितनी सी लिमिटेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग है उसके बेस पे मैं यही कहूँगा कि ब्लड सर्विसेज जो हैं हमारी हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज का एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है, और जहाँ पे भी हमारी रेंज ऑफ सर्विसेज इंप्रूव हुई हैं उसका एक प्री कंडीशन रही है कि हमारी ब्लड सर्विसेज इंप्रूव हों। ये हमने देखा है कि पहले हमारे पास ऑल ओवर वी यूज्ड टू हैव ब्लड स्टोरेज यूनिट्स जिनमें लिमिटेड कैपेसिटीज थी, दे कुड ओनली केटर टू अ लिमिटेड patient base. Then the focus was shifted on creation of blood banks across the UT, and I guess barring one or two districts, almost all districts in the UT now have a functional blood bank. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारी ऐसी थी जो हम कभी सोच नहीं सकते थे। डॉक्टर जुनेर यहाँ बैठे हैं। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन आई से कि हमारी वायरोलॉजी की लैब, जिसका शायद एक साल पहले किसी को नाम तक नहीं पता था, it is the leading lab in terms of number of tests that we do on daily basis. It has surpassed SKIMS, it has surpassed GMC Srinagar, it has surpassed GMC Jammu. तो मुझे लगता है इतने कम समय में हमने इतना कुछ अचीव करके दिखाया है, इतना बेहतर परफॉर्म किया है, and there is no reason that we cannot excel in other departments and other fields also. All we require is perhaps more perseverance from our side, more dedication, and that's all. Limited capacities में हमने इतना परफॉर्म किया है. Look at the number of patients that we have treated in COVID. I don't recall कि 4 या 5 से ज़्यादा patients को we had to refer to SKIMS or GMC during this pandemic, and we managed most of the patients, more than 99% of the patients here. एंड इस बार का जो हमारी केस फैटेलिटी थी, इट वाज वेल बिलो 1%. लास्ट टाइम इट वाज 1.4%, बट इस बार हमारी जो मेरे पास अभी तक का डेटा है, इट इज 0.63%. एंड अगेन आई वुड कम्प्लीमेंट एवरी डॉक्टर जिन्होंने, हमारे फिजिशियंस थे, हमारे एनेस्थीसिया के लोग थे, और हमारा बाकी स्टाफ, नर्सिंग स्टाफ, जिन लोगों ने दिन रात मेहनत करी है. एंड नॉट मैनी पीपल विल अप्रिशिएट कि इस सारी चीज़ों को चलाने के लिए कितनी मेहनत जाती है. बट आई मस्ट कम्प्लीमेंट एवरीबडी, राइट फ्रॉम आवर सफाई कर्मचारीज, लैब में जो हमारे टेक्नीशियंस थे, हमारे एक्सरे के टेक्नीशियंस थे, हर जो हमारा स्टाफ इस पूरे पैंडेमिक में लगा हुआ था. और आपने पूरी कंट्री में देखा क्या हाल हुआ था. लेकिन आई एम वेरी प्राउड व्हेन आई से कि बारामूला हैज़ डन कमेंडेबल जॉब, एंड द क्रेडिट गोज टू ईच वन ऑफ यू यहाँ जितने बैठे हैं, जिन्होंने अपने पर्सनल कंफर्ट को, पर्सनल प्रायोरिटीज़ को पीछे रखते हुए दे रोज टू द ओकेजन. और सिग्निफिकेंट इम्प्रूवमेंट्स हुई हैं. वी आर मच मोर कंफर्टेबल नाउ इन टर्म्स ऑफ आवर ऑक्सीजन अवेलेबिलिटी, एंड आई थिंक दिस विल बी क्वाइट अ स्ट्रेंथ टू अस इन द कमिंग डेज. गॉड फॉरबिड अगर हमारे पास थर्ड वेव भी आती है, तो आई थिंक वी आर मच बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड नाउ देन वी वर से कपल ऑफ मंथ्स बिफोर. वी हैव एडेड ऑन टू बेड्स हियर, and doctors have got more exposed to the treatment part, and I think with this particular intention in mind, I have no doubt that in the coming days there will be zero referrals from GMC Baramulla to the medical colleges in Srinagar, and I hope in the coming days our non-COVID services also will resume as usual, because there is huge demand for those services now, and I'm sure in the coming days we would actually be one of the premier institutions in entire Kashmir, and we'll not only be catering to the load of Baramulla district, but also districts around, including Bandipur and Kupwara. And once again I congratulate you on the organization of this event today. और इसी उम्मीद से कि हमारे जितने भी डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, they will excel in the range of services that they provide. और मैडम के लिए they will all be strengths in further improvement of this great medical college. Thank you.